Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. One of my biggest things with my chaotic critic friends here on this channel is being transparent with you guys, and my content has definitely showed that. This summer is one for the books, okay? It's been a summer. Let's just put it like that. But I am not happy with any planner that I've used. I mean, I have jumped all around with planners this summer, and it is what it is. So I'm gonna give this one a try. This is not a planner per se, but I'm gonna make it work for me. This is actually the to-do list sheets notebook from Staples, but I'm gonna take these stickers off because I don't want them on here. So I'm gonna take the one off the front and the one off the back, even though I'm doing it in reverse, but y'all get what I'm saying. So this is literally just a book filled with to-do list pages. I already did a couple inside of here, but I'm gonna jump to another page and start on this right here, kind of turning it into a week on one page. And then I'm thinking of, yeah, I'm going to turn it into a week on one page, and then I'll have what I want to get done in general for the week on the back. And if I want to add in sticky notes, I can. So I'm going to be trying out a couple different layouts with this, but the first one, I'm not going to do what I did last time with my Fobonichi and just create a whole bunch of spreads and then I don't want to use it. So I'm going to just start out pretty basic, and I'm going to take some washi tape just to cover up those check boxes, and then I'm going to look for a this week sticker to cover up where it says to do. I'm gonna see if I have this. I have all these daggone stickers, but I don't know if I have a this week sticker. Okay. Note to self, get it done, rescheduled, important. Here we go. Here is a this week. Oh, does it cover it perfectly? Am I that lucky today? Check me out. Oh, that's so good. I'm so happy that it covers it perfectly. And then I'm going to take a little sticker and just put the week that it's for. This is not the pen that I like to use, but it's the pen that I have close. So it's 8/19 to 8. What do we have going on here? 8. Trying to see. 8/25. All right. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think I have enough of those to do that. Let me see if I have any in my journaling sticker book. None there. Oh, I can actually use these numbers from the journaling sticker book. So I think what I'm gonna do is take these here. So if I did pink, black, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I have literally just enough. I just don't know how far out I should space it. So since I know pink is going to be at the bottom, I'm just going to put this here for good measure. And then I'll put this one here. I hope these stickers stick, but I'm kind of going to offset them. So I'm going to write in my TV shows that I want to watch. Black. Okay. I'm going to have to move this one. And then we have pink. And then we'll have black here. And then I just need to move this pink one over. So that's good. I might change up the spacing just a smidge though, because that one's a little off. So, and these stickers that I'm using, I think these are from Sticker Stirs, if I'm not mistaken. I'll link her shop for you guys to check out. These stickers are old though, but I'll just link the shop. Okay. And then I'm gonna jazz these pages up and put that right there. So that's fine. Now for these, we have 19, 20. I'm gonna go all the way to this way. I don't have to write it and I can still use the stickers that I want to use with no problem. Am I right though? Are we going to the 25th? Yes. I had to double check my calendar, even though I have it written there. Alright, so hopefully these will all stick, but that is the little layout that I'm going with. And I'm going to take my gray marker and separate the days just to give it a little more division here. Oh, that one wasn't completely on the line, but it's okay. Looks like I went all the way over here. I'm trying to think of anything I have going on this week. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna put the to-do list over here instead of putting it on the back of the page. I think that'll make sense. So I have a to-do list I'm working on, but I'm gonna that was just a stack of stickers that fell. So yeah, I have one that I'm working on, but I don't know if y'all heard that car just zooming down the street. So here is my little sticky note, and I'm actually gonna stick it to the side like so that I can get to that week. And then this is just a running to-do list of things that I want to film, so I actually need to cover that up. So I'm just gonna take this sticker here from another thing that I had. Don't want y'all to see everything that's coming up, but I'm gonna also just put a little sticker on this as well, just so that I can always refer back to this list. So anytime I have a running to-do list of stuff, I should say, then that's that. And then I'm going to cover the back of this page up with some sticky notes. Simple, simple. I don't know. Because I don't know what I'm putting on the back of there yet. So they're not sticking. There goes that. So I need to move this one over a little bit more actually. And these flags that I'm using are posted flags. My faves. I've shared them before. So yeah, I'm going to use this as my layout for the week, and I'm going to transfer over what I need to. I'll do that when I get my better pen. So I'll just have my running to-do list, and then anything over here that I want to write in, I will. I'm going to write in my shows for one. So I'm going to put in Raw and Grand Hotel come on Mondays. Then Tuesday is SmackDown Live and Ms. and Mrs., another wrestling thing. And then Wednesday is NXT. But I mean, there's gonna be more stuff coming because the fall is almost here and all the fall shows are coming back. So that's just a quick way that I transformed this into a weekly with a running to-do list, which is all I need right now. And honestly, if I don't fill everything in, then so be it. And another thing that I do is that I don't just leave the whole line. If I have to continue into the next one, I write over the box. So that's just another little tidbit there. But there is a whole lot of space in here. And the great thing about it is that I could literally have my week and my list here, and if I need to start a whole different type of list, like a grocery list or something like that, I have the space to do that. If I want to put it on the back, I can. I don't have to though. So I like this, and the best part is that it was only $1.99, so I'm gonna give it a fair shot and try it out. So that is what I'm rocking with. I still have my Fobonichi because I do have my writing projects in here, my financial stuff inside of here, but I am going to remove the planning section, and I'm going to put the paper into the journaling section. I also have blog stuff inside of here as well. So my little journal section is now going to get the paper, and if I ever choose to put the planning section back, I don't throw away my dividers. I'm just going to put this with the rest of my stash. I'll just reach for it when I want it, and if I want to go back to this, I have the freedom to do that, but I don't want to go back to this right now. The only other thing I am thinking of setting up is a work planner. And if my work planner is what I want it to be, I did mention that I would use the Michaels one, the big one, but it's a big ass planner. Where is it? This one. It's super big. It is the 8.5 by 11. It's huge. So I don't know if I want to use that one and take it to work and everything. So that's that. The other option is to use this one, which I've kind of already started working with. And these are the metal discs. This is a Happy Planner Classic. And I moved my football schedule inside of here. These are all from a notebook, this dot grid stuff. And I was going to put the hourly inside of here, and then I'd have kind of like a catch-all. If you guys have ever seen an At Home with Keita video, she has this catch-all planner. And then I would have this one, which I like the idea of having this, you know, here home, whatever. But then if I'm on the go and I need to pull something out, I'm still a paper and pen kind of girl. So this is just good for me to reference really quick instead of having to pull this out. I'm not saying that I wouldn't bring this with me to work. My profession is working with kids. I'm a nanny, so I would bring this with me, but I would still have this in my bag just to quickly reference. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I'm at. That is how I modified this, and I hope that gave you guys some inspiration. Again, you can find these notebooks at Staples. If I can find them online, which I've been trying to find, I'll link them for you to check out. I just have 2 tabs here, nothing crazy. I might put a little thing on the outside. Let me see if I want to put an L for me. An L for me. Let's see how it looks. So, kind of just looks like a block. If I had another one, it would kind of just look like it was framing it out. So, that's the thing about having an L as your initial. I love my L, but that's the only thing. I do like this cover though, and I love how smooth it feels. But that's it. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which includes the links to my blog and my Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you haven't joined the Chaotic Critic family, I would love for you to do so. So please click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.